The evil forest is called the ruffian. Boys, are we ruffians? There was a time I was only an acorn. Now I'm a gigantic oak with branches to heaven. People have known that I am a genius, that I practice the ancient without iniquity. The thing of beauty is a joy forever. The evil forest is called the ruffian. But the forest is a ruffian with a heart of gold. The owl is called the bird of evil omen. But the owl is never bad in character. The taste of the pudding is in the eating. Come and rejoice with the funny crazy boy. To normalize your pee with meccas of merriment. No matter your tribe, color, or religion, they do not offend, they do not revenge. They are good soldiers as well as good men. Their function is to gather to give people joy. During masquerade gallows and cultural festivity, a little thing can console a dying heart. The best physician is Dr. Happiness.